Hi there, I'm Dr. Yusuf Noor from Shafi Academy. Today, I would like to teach you how to find the equation of straight line from 2 points. So let's start. Equation of a line from 2 points. The learning objectives are, we got one learning objective, write the equation of a line from 2 points. Let's start with some examples. Here I got a line, and as you see, this is one point of the line 2.5, and this is another point of the line 0.1. But this is a very special point because it's the intercept, the y-intercept, which will provide us the c in our equation. So if I write down the general equation for a line, as we have learned, that is y equals mx plus c, which simply means the intercept here is going to give us our c. So we know our c is 1. Okay. How do we find our m? Well, m is increase in y divided by increase in x. So what is increase in y? Well, the y increases from 1 to 5. So that's 5 take away 1. Okay. Was increase in x, the x moved from 0 to 2, so that's 2, 0, to take away 0, that's the increase in x. That gives you 5 take away 1, which is 4, 4 divided by 2, so our m is 2. Now we know m, we know c, we can put them together to get the equation, which is normally general equation is mx plus c, as we said before. So if we fill it, our m is 2, we work out, and our c is 1, we read from the graph. This is how you use 2 points to find the equation of a graph. If the intercept is included, you just use that intercept, it gives you the c, and you work out the m by dividing the increase in y. The y increased from 1 to 5, so that 5 take away 1 is 4, and the increase in x increased from 0 to 2, so 2 take away 0. So this point take away this point. That is how do you find? Okay. I got here another example. This time we don't have intercept, but we got 2 points. Okay. Again, let us write down the general equation, which is y equals mx plus c. Can we work out m? Yes, easily, because it's increasing y, which is 9, take away 3. Okay. Because here is 9, here is 9, this point the y is 9, and here is 3, so it went up by 6. And the x moved from 1 to 4, so 4 take away 1. That gives you an m of 9 take away that is 6, 4 take away 1 is 3, so that gives you m of 2. Can we find c? Well, we cannot. Okay, so let us use the general equation and fill our m, because we know m. Okay, so our m is 2, so we got 2x plus c. How do we find c? Well, we can use one of the 2 points. It doesn't matter which one we use. Let's use this one. If we use that one, the y is 9 and x 4. So fill 9 and 4, substitute y with 9 and x with 4 and solve it. That gives you 9 minus 8 is your c, and that gives you 1 is your c. Now we know the c and we know m, we can put them together to find our equation, which is 2x plus 1. That's the equation of the line. So that's how you find it. Okay, now that is it. So here I got 2 questions for you to try. You can stop the video and try them. Okay, and try them. I think you have tried, so let's do it together. Find the equation of a line that goes through the point this and the point 3.9. So 0.4 and 3.9. Okay. Everything starts with general equation, so let's write down the general equation, which says, sorry about that. Everything starts with general equation, which says y equals mx plus c. Do we know c? Yes, that's the intercept, 0, 4. So our c is 4. Can we find our m? Yes, our m is increase in y divided by increase in x. The y increased from 4 to 9, so that's 9 take away 4. Okay. And our x increased 0 to 3, so 3 take away that. That gives you 9 take away 4 is 5. So 9 take away 4 is 5. And 3 take away 0 is, and 3 take away 0 is 3. So that is our M. We know C, we know M. Let us put them together. 5/3 X, 5/3 is M, and C is 4. Let us move to the other one. Find the equation of the line that goes through this point and through that point. General equation again, y equals mx plus c. Do we know m? No. Do we know c? No. Can we work out m? Yes. M is increase in y, which is 7 take away 3, divided by increase in x, which is 5 take away 2. The top one gives you 4, and the bottom one gives you 3. Yeah? So that's your m. Okay? If you fill that in the general equation, you go 4/3 x plus c. That's where you go. Now to find c now, we need to use one of the 2 points. Let us use the first one now. So our y is 3. So we substitute y with 3. And our x is 2. Substitute with that. We got fraction here. But it doesn't matter. Fraction is numbers as well. So we got 3 equals 8 divided by 3 plus c. Take 8 divided by 3 to the other side. That becomes minus. This one will become. Now because this one has got 1 here as a denominator, we can make denominators the same and take away the 2 fractions. So we need to times it here. Let me change the color. So let us times here by 3 to make the denominators the same. And then we need to times here by 3. Once we've done that, the 2 denominators are same. Okay, the 2 denominators are same. So we got 9. That gives us 9 take away 8 divided by 3, which gives us 1/3 for c. That's our c. It's a bit of color there. So what's the equation now? The equation is y equals 4/3 x plus 1/3. That's the equation. So let me go through it again. We write down the general equation, which is y equals mx plus c. Okay, to calculate, we don't know c and we don't know m, but we were given 2 points. We have to use those 2 points to find our m and our c. First, let's get the m, which is increase in y divided by increase in x. Increase in y is from 3 to 7, that is 4. Increase in x is 2 to 5, from 2 to 5, that's 3. So that is your m, that's your gradient. Now substitute this with m, so 4/3 x plus c. Now c is missing, but we can use one of the 2 points to find our c. We have chosen this one, 2 and 3, so y is 3, fill it there, and x is 2. Yeah, 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 3. Take to the other side and change the sign, minus 8 of 3. Make the denominators the same by times 3 there. So you end up 9 minus 8 divided by 3 equals 1/3. And finally you fill it. Okay, that's all about it. And this is the last lesson of the series lesson about find the equation of a line that we have done. I think this is the 5th lesson. That makes one complete course. Thank you for listening to this lesson. And make sure that you complete the worksheet that goes with it as usual. And make sure that you use the answer sheet to mark your work. And see you in another interesting lesson. Thank you.